Hi, my name is Alan Jordan, and this is Yvonne Bolton, and we've recently recorded an album which is called Silver Threads, and we're going to play you some tunes from that album now.
The set of tunes we're going to play is actually the final set on the album. It's the set called Christmas Day. The first tune is a Scottish march, the second tune is a Highland, it's called The Cat That Kittled in Jamie's Wig, and the third tune is a tune I composed called Christmas Day.
done, lads, or lad and lady.
Thanks
It's
very
got a
much.
beautiful feel of self-composery about it. Is it self-composed? I'm sure it is.
The last tune
Last,
is
yeah.
self-composed. The first two are tunes that I learned when I was studying in Limerick. So they're lovely tunes. The first is a Scottish tune and the second is a Donegal tune. So they kind of mix well together.
Yeah, no, it's fantastic. We first heard about your name through Tony O'Connell. He said to keep an eye out for this lady.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but Tony was one of your tutors, was he?
Yeah, he was one of my tutors for the first 2 years when I was in college. And actually I learnt that second tune from Tony.
All right.
So the cat that kittled in Jamie's wig.
Fantastic. And how did you come together, the two of you?
I suppose we played a lot together for performances, and as well as that we have a regular session on a Sunday in Limerick. So we
All
got
right.
playing a good bit together.
Great. And did you meet together down at that course in Limerick?
Yeah, we did.
Was that it? That's where your playing started?
Exactly,
We
yeah.
both met in the course in UL. Yeah.
Okay. Alan, you're from Mayo?
From Mayo originally, yeah. I've moved to Limerick in 2004
Right.
to do the degree in music in UL.
Sure. Okay. And what kind of a history of Irish music would you have had in your background in Mayo?
I played whistle as a kid, and I suppose throughout my teens and early 20s I was more into other types of music. And then about maybe 23, 24, I was living in Galway at the time, and I was there was a lot of really good trad players around, so I got back into traditional music at that
Lovely.
stage. And,
Okay.
moved up to North Donegal for a while, so I was like playing with lots of Donegal fiddlers for a
Oh
few
God,
years.
yeah. Burning your hands.
Yeah.
Keeping up with that pace.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. And Yvonne, you live near Laois or on the Laois-Carlow border?
On the border in a little place called Collection.
Collection, right.
And yeah, I suppose my mother would have been involved in teaching music in primary school. She was a primary school teacher, and she would have always played piano. And then when I got to 7, I wanted to learn the button accordion, but it was too big. So I was shown the concertina, and that's when I started playing the concertina. My first teacher was Mary Hutton, and then I went from there. I went through a string of teachers because it was always hard to find teachers around that area at the time. Now it would be much easier because there's so many great musicians
Sure.
around the area.
Right. And in the meantime, okay, you did your degree in masters, and now you're operating a music school down there.
Yeah. I finished my masters about 3 years ago and started teaching music. We had always taught individually, and then we just decided to convert the garage and set up 3 or 4 classrooms and kind of set up a school.
Lovely.
So I've been doing that full time now for the last 3 years.
Okay, Jesus, great. And that's great. Listen, I'm glad to have you here eventually, because you're a hard couple to trace down.
No,
But,
thanks a million for the opportunity. And
okay,
great.
right. Listen, Ganari Gigal live.
I mean,
Okay.